Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. I'm checking out this OUMURS dirt bike helmet. This thing comes with some gloves, a mask too, and let's see, there's nice little gloves here. Let's check that out. Okay, nice hand protection. Got little skid plates, grip on there. That's really cool. Check the helmet out here, and then we got a couple of face masks as well. We have, oh wow, some sick goggles. Those are pretty cool. Let's pull the helmet out of there. This comes in a couple different color configurations. That is pretty cool looking. I have like a off-road scooter. So this is going to be definitely, it goes up to 55 miles an hour, so it's going to be nice to have some protection with that. I'm going to go ahead and try this on real quick. All right, well guys, I really like this helmet a lot. It offers I think it looks really cool and just offers a nice amount of protection. Easy to take off, just slides right off right there. Whew. So the goggles on here, like I find if I'm cruising along, I took this thing to top speed. So I was going like over 40 and still no, my eyes weren't tearing up or anything like that. I really like the way it looks. Like the reflective lens on there is super cool. Yeah, just, I feel like a lot more comfortable riding this thing when I have this helmet on. Definitely my eyes aren't watering anything. I don't have to worry about bugs like hitting me in the face. So I can go explore with confidence and find some beautiful scenery. So yeah, I just really like this helmet, guys. One thing I did notice, the goggles, if I'm just sitting there, just sitting there breathing, they'll tend to get a little bit fogged up. That's if I have the ski mask over my nose. I like to wear it over my nose. So if I don't, it won't really fog up. And not a lot of fog up, but just it'll get little puffs of there, condensation, when you breathe. But when I'm riding, there's no issues like that at all. It's also got good, air circulation. So even though it's nice and snug, it feels good. It's not my head's not getting all sweaty and hot feeling. It's comfortable to wear too. So yeah, guys, just a really sweet helmet. I really like it a lot. I think it matches my scooter too, so that's another bonus. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this review. I'm gonna go cruise around a little more, enjoy the beautiful day here. But yeah, this thing's just really nice. If you guys are looking for a good helmet, I recommend checking this out. Just like I said, it's so super easy to put on. I like the latching system. The gloves are cool too, so if I'm not going through bushes or something, it's not gonna hurt my knuckles. So I just feel really comfortable with this. All right, guys, you have a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.